In the previous videos, we talked about how to add a client, how to create a quote, how to convert a quote into a job, and how to get the job completed to finally get to an invoice. But you can always skip this part and go straight up to create an invoice and then add your clients, the items in invoice, and this will do the same thing if you don't want to go through the whole trouble of going through the previous process. Now let's talk about some data here that shows you in the app. Let's go back to Joe Doe, this example. Up in here, you'll be able to see the unpaid balance. So this gives you an idea of the invoices if they haven't been paid. And to see those invoices, you just simply click on billing, and this prompts you to the actual invoice. Click on the invoice so you can see the status is unpaid. Now, if this invoice was created by mistake, you can go ahead and delete it. Otherwise, you can go ahead and collect payments. Paid in cash. And as you can see from previous videos, there's a lot of different ways where you can collect payments, including credit card if you want to. Select deposit. Now we have the invoice is being paid. If I go back here to the app, the balance goes down to 0. Perfect. And then you always have this drop down and drop up so you can see your earnings.